Hi, I'm Harald Paganetti. My educational lecture at PTCOG in Deauville is entitled Radiation Biology for Proton Therapy. So is radiation biology really different for proton therapy? Not fundamentally, but the biological mechanisms triggered by protons may differ from those in photon therapy. So remarkably, even after more than 60 years of clinical proton therapy, the magnitude and clinical relevance of these biological differences remain uncertain. So RBE is particularly important for normal tissue toxicity. It may reduce some of the dosimetric advantages of protons and therefore influence how we select patients for treatment. Addressing these questions requires truly interdisciplinary research: physicists studying energy deposition, biologists investigating DNA damage and tissue response, and clinicians evaluating the clinical consequences. I look forward to discussing these questions with you at this year's PTCOG meeting, so please join us